Good morning children. This is 3rd standard English class. Block 16 asking questions. So our today's topic is different kinds of questions. Today we are going to learn to ask different kinds of questions. Means fact based questions by using different colored papers. Asking questions help us to think more about that. Yes. So today I'll show you the question signal. So the question signal, nothing but it is like traffic signals. Do you know traffic signals, children? What are the three colors in our traffic signals? Red, orange or yellow and green. So in the traffic signal, what does it say? Red says stop. Orange or yellow says slow down. And green says go. Okay children, like that. We are going to learn to ask the questions by using the question signal. So this is our question signal, the question signal. See, what are the colors in our question signal? Like traffic signal, how do we have colors? Like that in our question signal also we have the colors red, yellow and green. So in question signal, what does the red mean? In traffic signal, what does the red mean? It says stop. So in like question signal, red means we have to stop reading and think about the answer. If our question is in red color, stop reading and think about the answer. Now yellow. If our question is in yellow color, need some time. We need some time to find the answer. If our question is in yellow color, we need some time to find the answer. If our question is green in color, we can answer it directly. If our question is in green color, answer it directly. Okay children, this is the question signal. So let's see some questions on the question signal. These are the questions on the question signal. So on the questions on the red color paper what we have to do, we have to stop reading and think about the answer. See the first question children. How do you think the bird injured its wing? How do you think the bird injured its wing? Maybe the bird fell from a high branch while trying to fly and injured its wing. So for this, what did we do? It is not there. The answer is not there. We cannot get it directly from the reader. So what we have to do? We have to stop reading and think. So what is the next one? How did Pink grow strong again? How did Pink grow strong again? See, after it got injured, how did she become again? She became strong. Jia fed the bird and took care of the bird. So that's why again Pink grow strong again. Now what is the third one? Why did Pink help Jia find her kite? Any guess children? Maybe because Jia had helped Pink when it got injured. So Pink helped Jia to finding her kite. What is the fourth one? Why did Jia thank the bird? Because the little bird Pink brought Jia's favorite kite when it got stuck on the tree. So that's why Jia thanked the bird. Even we also children, if anyone help us, what we have to do? We have to thank them. Now fifth one. Why did Jia become a veterinarian? Veterinarian means a doctor for animals. Why did she become veterinarian? Because Jia loved animals and birds. So she became a veterinarian. Okay children, these are the questions. We don't have the answers directly in the story. We have to think about this answer. So what is the next color children? Yellow or orange? Okay. So for the questions on yellow or orange, what we have to do? We should need some time to find the answer. See the first one. How old was Jia when she found Pink? Jia was 4 years old. Jia was 4 years old. See here children, how do we know Jia was 4 years old? Because if you see here, Jia and her parents released Pink. Pink flew away and landed on a nearby tree. After that, if you see the next para, 4 years passed and Jia was now ready to celebrate her 8th birthday. So 4 years passed, now 8th birthday means that time Jia was 4 years old. Now see the second question. How did the kite get stuck in the tree? How did the kite get stuck in the tree? Just as the kite began to fly high. Okay. So then there was a sudden rush of wind and the kite got stuck in the tree. See, if you see this in page number 105. If you read this sentence, we can get the answer. Just as it began to fly high, a great gust of wind blew the kite out of control. So with this we can find the answer. That's why the questions in yellow color or orange color, so need some time to find the answer. Now see the third one, children. Is it the same bird that helped Jia find her kite was the same bird that Jia helped many years ago? How do you know? Yes, because the bird had the same pink crest. If you observe this, here this is the crest. Even see the bird has the same pink crest. Like that we can find out the same bird which helped Jia had helped Jia now. Now, fourth one. Why did Jia run home? Why did she run home, children? Jia ran home to tell her parents about how that pink brought her kite when it got stuck on the tree. It was there in that, here. See, Jia picked up her kite and ran home to tell her parents about what had just happened. So for this we have to write the fact. That's why these are all fact-based questions. What did Jia become when she grown up? Jia became a veterinarian. Now see, these are the questions in green color. So green color means we can answer it directly. What would Jia do every night? It is there in our story. Every night Jia pretend to read the bird a story. It is there. Okay, now second one. Where did Jia go to release the bird? Jia went outside the house to release the bird. See, if you observe this, if you observe this picture, Jia went outside the house, outside her house to release the bird. So this question we can answer it directly. See the third one. Who flew away? Yes, Pink, the bird. Pink flew away. What did Jia's father gift her for her birthday? Jia's father gifted a brand new kite. It is there in our story only. Directly we can answer this. What did Jia become when she grown up? She became a veterinarian when she grown up. Okay, children. So these are the questions. Now, which kind of questions do you think help the most? Questions whose answers are not given. Questions whose answers are not given, but we have to think about help us most. When we think about the answers to such questions, we understand many things about the story besides just what is written on pages. Okay, children? So we have learnt that we can ask different kinds of questions while reading. For some we have to stop reading and think about the answer, and for some questions we need some time to find the answer, and for some questions we can answer it directly. I hope you all understood it clearly, children. Open your English workbook. S for different kinds of questions. Write today's date. What is today's date, children? 6-1-2021. Now, see the first question. Read the questions. Color the circle green if you can answer the questions right away. Right away means directly. Yellow if you need some time to find the answer in the book. And red if you have to stop reading and think about the answer. So here there are circles, children. So this is like question signal. You have to color it by after reading the sentence. See, who flew away? Can we answer it directly? So which color we have to color? Green. We have to color it with green color. Sorry, green. Next. B. Why did Jia thank the bird? For this, what we have to do? We have to stop reading and think about the answer. Why did Jia thank the bird? This is in red color. Why did Jia run home? Why did Jia run home? So for this, we need some time to think about the answer. So we have to color it with yellow. D1. What did Jia become when she grew up? What did Jia become when she grew up? So for this also, yellow. Because we need some time. Now, discuss the answer with your group. You are at home now, so no need to discuss with your group, children. We cannot discuss. Now, second one. Write 2 more questions about the last 2 pages of the story. Now, by seeing these 2 pictures, we have to frame the questions. Here, first we'll frame a question for this picture. What can we frame, children? Why was Jia happy? See here, why was Jia happy? See which question we can frame here. What was there outside the window? What was there outside the What was there outside the window? Now, see the third question. What would you do if you found an injured animal near your house? What would you do, children? We will take care of it. So, I would, W-O-U-L-D, would take care of it. Okay, children, this is the workbook. Complete the workbook, write neatly. Thank you, children.